Now it's time that we begin talking about the right mode for interviewing user and getting more on the problem statement. Okay. Now, when we talk about right mode, there are few ways to do this. Okay. So there are different ways to do this, like short interviews. You might even prefer quick survey, which is another way. And there is a hybrid approach as well, wherein you combine both the things, wherein you have short survey as well as one follow-up interview after the survey. Okay. Now, when should you choose what? So there is a standard. So you can choose short interview. When you need deep stories, you want to understand step-by-step behavior in depth. You also want to capture the reactions and feelings. Okay. You should do quick survey. If you want best numbers, if you want numbers, okay, so basically what percentage of users are saying something, what percentage are preferring something, all of that, you could do quick comparisons and you can analyze the trends. That is when you do quick survey. And you could go for a hybrid approach if you want both breadth and depth. Okay, so depending on your situation, you might choose the right approach to work around a particular problem statement. Okay. Now, here also AI can help you choose the right research mode faster. And by AI, I'm talking about general models like ChatGPT. And how do they help you? So they help you comparing interview approach versus survey approach versus hybrid approach for your exact problem. So if you have a problem statement that you have defined perfectly with data, then you can make use of that to get help from AI to compare all the approaches. And this involves explaining the trade-offs, okay, comparing trade-offs, depth versus breadth, and also giving you reasoned recommendations in seconds so that you don't waste any time guessing. Okay, so this saves time, improves your decision making, and also ensures that you use the right method. So let's say I have an example problem statement over here. So the problem statement is first time fresh cart users abandon 47% of mobile checkout sessions when reviewing delivery fees and payment option. This is a problem statement that I have figured out. Okay, now I want to go a step further. Okay, so this is when reviewing the delivery fees, payment options, preventing successful order completion and resulting in 1.1 million quarterly revenue loss and 2.8 star of average checkout ratings. So this is a problem right now that we are facing in our application. Now, what we would do is we would basically ask AI over here. So I can ask, here is my research problem. Okay. And so this is my research problem. And should I run interview, short one, or survey, or both? Okay, so it'll suggest you, okay, everything. You can even modify this to get the why as well. So it's thinking for longer. So it is giving you the answer over here. It is telling you do both after thinking for 13 seconds. So do both. You should run a short quantitative survey first to measure how common different problems are, and follow with qualitative interviews to understand the why and uncover the unsolvable UX and business problems, right? And here it is also telling you the why. I have not mentioned why over here. I forgot to mention why. I was supposed to. But here it also gave you the why over here. And basically it is also giving you a plan over here. It has created a plan to get a target cohorts. And for survey, it has also given you the goal and sample size guidance over here. And suggested survey also it has suggested you over here along with the interviews. Okay, so it has given you fair amount of information. You can see over here the metrics and everything over here. Okay, and it is also giving you some follow-up questions over here as to what you would like it to do now. Okay, so this helps a lot, and you can iterate over this and expand this further. But this can be a useful tool for helping you choose the right approach.